Okay, so this is number 2 from PS1. First thing I'm going to do is start a sketch on this top view. I'm going to click sketch. You know I like hiding my planes, so I'm going to push the P key. I'm going to go to top view. Okay, now we're going to draw this as a rectangle first. Okay, so this rectangle is going to be 60 by 40, and it's already highlighted, ready for me to type in. I don't have to hit the backspace key or anything. 60 by 40. Cool. Now I'm going to grab another line and cut off this corner. Okay, so I'm going to draw an angle there and then grab my scissors. Okay, my scissors, I'm going to click these two segments I no longer want. Click, click. Okay, now I need a dimension where that goes. So I'm going to say the degree between this and this is 45. Next thing I need to do is dictate this distance from that point to the bottom, and that is 20. Cool. And finish. I can extrude. I like to rotate it a little with my right mouse button, kind of drag. Click that surface, and this guy gets extruded 10 millimeters. Cool. Now we can go do our difficult side first and our easy one second. So the difficult one starts over here on this long side, and shape is going to kind of go up, over, and down at a slight angle. I'll make a new sketch over here. I'm going to click on this back surface. So I'm looking at nice and straight. Okay, now the general shape of this starts out by going up 30. It goes over 30. Okay, now we can't really say, but from here to here is 50, but we can't really dimension as we drop, so we'll just kind of drop it like this, and then bring this back, then dimension it. So we'll say, all right, this line segment is 50. Ooh, we got it pretty close. 50. Okay, that's technically locked in now. And we got a little tiny rectangle up here that's going to be cut out. It's a lot easier to add this now. Just extrude the pieces that we want as opposed to finishing this solid, then making a new sketch and cutting that out. Okay, so while our dimensions are active, let's go ahead and add in our 10 and 10. 10 enter, 10 enter. And I've made this one easy because, still got my rectangle tool. Let me grab my dimension tool. From that line to this line is 10. And then from this line to this line is also 10. Thanks for making that easy. Okay, so now we look at it so we can watch the magic happen. Check mark, extrude, we pick our surface. Okay, make sure that this is going the right way. Pow. 10 millimeters. Lock it in. Okay, now our next one's really easy. We're going to make a new sketch on this top surface. Sketch, a rectangle. I'm not even going to go flat on the top view for this. I'm just going to go at it from 3D. And this thing is 30 by 10 by 10. So 30, 10, finish. We extrude. We pick what we want to extrude. I want to extrude this piece. And it gets extruded 10 millimeters. And if you accidentally mess up and you extrude the wrong distance or something like that, just double click on these extrudes. Double click, and you can edit their sizes. Okay. You can also edit what was selected. Say you accidentally chose that. Oops, that's not right. So this is where you could change it and choose the correct surface. Lock it in. It looks good.